In this video I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. So what we want to do, we want to create a drop-down list over here and we would like to display all the products which we have in stock. So what we will do, we will select the cell and now go to Insert and there you will find drop-down. Select it and here you can easily select all the options. So what you can do, you can select different options yourself, you can enter them, but you can also automatically select certain products. So what we will do, we will go to this one and we will enter the products manually. So we will select bananas for the first option, we will select apples for the second option, then we do another item and another item to add the other products. So we will paste it over here and then paste the last one, and as you can see we now have successfully created a drop-down list. But you can also color them like red, brown, green and pink. And now if you click on done, this drop-down list will be automatically created. As you can see, we can now select the products over here and now you have created successfully a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!